Welcome to this tutorial on editing the mobile view in WordPress using the streamlined interface provided in the latest 2025 update. In this guide, you will learn how to log into WordPress, navigate the site editor, and switch between desktop and mobile editing modes. Begin by opening your web browser and directing it to WordPress. Once the home page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding further. When you have settled on the WordPress homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will see a login option that invites you to access your account. Click on this login button to continue. This action will lead you to a dedicated login screen that offers various methods for signing in securely. After clicking login, the next step involves selecting the option to continue with your Google account. This streamlined approach allows you to leverage the security and convenience of Google's authentication system. When you click the option to continue with Google, a list of available Google accounts appears. From this list, select the account you would like to use for logging into WordPress. This selection ensures that your login process is both secure and efficient, as it connects your WordPress experience directly with your chosen Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in using your Google account, you will notice a section on the dashboard known as Quick Links. Within this section, a prominent link labeled Edit Site awaits your action. By clicking on Edit Site, you activate the Site Editor mode, a powerful feature that gives you full control over the design and functionality of your website. This step is essential as it transitions you from simply viewing your site to actively customizing it. After entering the site editor, look for your website among any listed options and click on it to begin the customization process. This action opens your website within the editing environment, where you are empowered to modify layouts, update content, and apply design changes. At this stage, you have full creative freedom to shape your website exactly how you envision it. Within the editing interface, you will note an icon that represents a desktop view. Located at the top right corner of the screen, this icon offers additional viewing modes and settings. Click on the desktop icon to reveal these options. Immediately following this, you will notice the option to switch the view to mobile. By selecting the mobile version, you change the preview so that it reflects how your website will appear on smartphones and other mobile devices. This is an important step as it allows you to optimize the design elements specifically for smaller screens. With the mobile view now active, you can begin making the necessary edits to ensure that your website looks and functions beautifully on mobile devices. Adjust elements such as text sizes, spacing, and images to maintain a cohesive and user-friendly interface. This focused editing process is aimed at delivering an ideal browsing experience for your mobile visitors. By following these clear and sequential instructions, you have learned how to log in via Google, access your website through the quick links section, switch the viewing mode from desktop to mobile, and begin making precise edits. Enjoy the enhanced control WordPress offers for optimizing your site for mobile audiences, ensuring that your design remains both attractive and efficient no matter the device used.